So today we are going to solve a few more quadratic equations using completing the square method. We have already discussed this method in the previous class. So today we will continue the class and solve these equations by the same method. So we have an equation here, 2x squared minus 7x is equal to 4. So we need to solve it by completing the square method. So the coefficient of x square is not equal to 1, so we need to make it 1. So we have to divide the equation by 2. Four by 2. That means this is now equal to 2. Now we have this expression on the left hand side. We need to make it a perfect square. So what is the procedure? First we take the coefficient of x. It is minus 7 by 2. Notice the minus sign. So the coefficient is minus 7 by 2. So it is minus 7 by 2. Whole thing divided by 2, then square. That is the term we have to add to both the sides. So that the left hand side, we have to add it to the first left hand side so that it becomes a perfect square. Then we have to subtract the same from the right hand side. We have to add it to the right hand side also so that the equation remains same. So the term to add to the left hand side is minus 7 by 2, the coefficient of x by 2 square. So what is the value? It is 49 by 16, minus to the minus plus. So it becomes 7x 49 by 16 2 plus 49 by 16. We add 49 by 16 to both sides, so the equation remains same. Now this can be written as 32 plus 49 by 16, which is a minus x square minus twice 7 by 4x plus 7 by 4 whole square. That is this formula, a minus b whole square formula. So it becomes x minus 7 by 4 whole square is 39 by 2 is 1, 81 by 16. So x minus 7 by 4 whole square is 9 by 4 square, which means x minus 7 by 4 is equal to plus minus 9 by 4, which is equal to x is equal to 7 by 4 plus minus 9 by 4, and x is equal to either 7 plus 9 by 4 or x is equal to 7 minus 9 by 4, hence x is equal to 4, or x is equal to minus 2 by 4, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. Hence x is equal to 4 or minus half, and that is the answer. 9 by 4 So we take the square root here, so it becomes plus minus 9 by 4. When you take the square root, it becomes plus minus 9 by 4. So x is equal to minus 7 by 4 gets transferred to the right hand side, it becomes plus 7 by 4 plus minus 9 by 4. That means either it is plus or minus. So we get two solutions, 4 or minus 1 by 2. So 4 is x is either 4 or minus 1 by 2, and that is the answer or the solution to this problem. X square x square plus 10x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. So this is another quadratic equation. Let us solve it by completing the square. So the first step is to take the constant term to the right hand side. So now we have the coefficient of x square is 1. So we don't have to divide the equation by any number. So we just transfer the constant term to the right hand side. It becomes minus 1. Now we get this expression on the left hand side. So we need to add something to this expression to make it a perfect square. So you know the procedure, how to do that. Take the coefficient of x, which is 10 by 2, and then square it, you get 5 square, that is 25. So this can be written as 2.5 x plus 5 square minus 1 plus 5 square. Adding 5 square to both the sides, so the equation remains same. So this can be written as x plus 5 square, because it is a square twice ab plus b square form. So it is a perfect square. So this is 5 is 25. 25 minus 1, it is 24. So x plus 5 is 24, which means it is equal to plus minus 2 square root 3, because 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 cube 3 is 24. So when you take 2 into 3, you take 2 out, then 2 into 3, 6 will remain. So that is the answer here. So we get x plus 5 is plus minus 2 root 6, hence x is, transferring it to the right hand side, minus 5 plus minus 2 6, hence x is minus 5 minus 2 root 6, or x is minus 5 plus 2 root 6, and that is your answer. X square plus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0. Another quadratic equation. So the coefficient of x square is not equal to 1. So you will make it 1 by dividing by 3. 6 0. So it becomes 2x minus 2 by 3 is 0, which means x square plus 2x. Let us transfer it to the right hand side. It becomes 2 by 3. So now we have an expression x square plus 2x on the left hand side. So we will make it a perfect square. How? We will divide the coefficient of bx by 2 and square it. So it is 1 square, which is equal to 1. So we need to add 1 to both sides. 2x plus 1, 2 by 3 plus 1. We are adding 1 to both sides so that the equation remains same. So now this is in the format twice ab plus b square. 2 by 3 plus 1 is 5 by 3. So this is equal to x plus 1 whole square 5 by 3, which means x plus 1 is plus minus 5 by 3, taking square root of the right hand side, which means x is equal to minus 1 plus minus 5 by 3, which is equal to minus 1 plus minus 5 by 3 is actually is equal to 15 by 3. If you multiply both sides by 3, 3 into 3, 3 square, you take square root, 3 remains. 3 into 5 is square root of 15. Hence, x is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 15 by 3, or minus 1 plus square root of 15 by 3, and that is your solution. One by x plus 2. This is another quadratic equation. So let us solve it. Take the LCM of x and x plus 1 by x plus 2. It is x into x plus 2. The fraction becomes x plus 2 plus x into x plus 2 is equal to half. X plus 2 into 1, x plus 2, then again x into 1, x, and the LCM of these two is x into x plus 2. So we get this is equal to x plus 2 plus x into x plus 2 is half, which is equal to 2x plus 2 is equal to x into x plus 2 into half. Cross multiplying, we have 2 into this one, 4x plus 4. You cross multiply x into x plus 2. So we have 4x plus 4 is x square plus 2x. So let us shift it to this side. Minus x square minus 2x plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Minus x square plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. Minus x square plus 2x is equal to minus 4, or x square minus 2x is equal to 4. Now converting all of them to multiplying it by minus 1, it becomes plus 1. So it is minus 2x and it is plus 4. It becomes plus 4. So we have this expression x minus 2 square on the left hand side and the constant term 4 on the right hand side. So we need to make this a perfect square. Hence x square minus 2x is equal to 4, which means we need to convert it to perfect square. So we divide coefficient of x by 2, then square it, which means it is 1 square, which is equal to 1. So we need to add 1 to both the sides. Hence x square minus twice x plus 1 is 4 plus 1. We add 1 to both the sides, so the equation remains same. So this is in the format 2(1)x plus 1 square is equal to 5, which means x minus 2 whole square is equal to 5. A minus twice ab plus b square. The formula applied here is a minus b whole square, which is equal to x minus 2. So we have x minus 2 is x minus 1. X minus 1 is plus minus square root of 5. Hence, transfer it to the right hand side, it becomes 1 minus 5. Okay. Hence, x is equal to 1 plus square root 5, or x is 1 minus square root of 5. And that is the solution to this quadratic equation.